Okay, I'll just show you how to play music from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 VW Golf. So from any screen, that's on nav at the moment. I'm going to put it onto media. So media there, that's set to auxiliary. We'll just see what happens. So you go to your music, click on music. You'll see there at the bottom, if you click on the car symbol at the bottom, it's showing iPhone or VWBT, and there's a tick next to VWBT. That means anything that you play, whether it's Spotify, Amazon Prime Music, iTunes, the soundtrack off a YouTube video, it will play through the system if you have it set up correctly. So that's it, it's going to play through there. We'll go back to the record. I'll click the record, click on play. So that's playing on here. However, that's set to auxiliary. So what you do, I'll just go to another screen just to show you how to do it. So it's on nav, it's not playing. We go to media, that's auxiliary, then we click source, and then we click Bluetooth. That's it, and that's it playing. That's how you do that.